Hey everyone, in today's quick video, we are reviewing Motion, a smart predictive app designed to help you manage your schedule, tasks, and projects more efficiently. If you're tired of juggling multiple tools, stick around and let's see whether it's good fit or not. So once you open the website, it will ask you, do you intend on using Motion by yourself or with a team? I will just select for myself for right now. Now, Motion is an AI-powered productivity app that combines task management, scheduling, and projects planning into one platform. It automatically prioritizes your task, block time on your calendar, and help you stay focused on what matter most. Now, here's what makes Motion stand out. Automatically schedule tasks based on deadlines and priorities, organize to-do with due dates, label, and subtasks, sync with Google Calendar or Outlook to block time for deep work, share tasks and projects with your team for seamless collaboration. It's like having a personal assistant that keeps you on your track without the hassle. Now, what's the best thing? I mean, why this is really good? So, save times by automatic scheduling and prioritizing. As I told you, combines task, calendar, and projects in one place. It's very user-friendly interface. But what's the con? Right, but there are some downsides. Starting at $10, which might be steep for casual users. So if you just go to the pricing section here, you will find it's kind of a little bit, oh, okay, the price has been increased $12 for business, and for an individual, it is for around $19 or $20. That is, a little bit expensive. The AI feature can feel overwhelmingly at first. Some advanced user may find the flexibility lacking compared to other tools. Motion is ideal for busy professionals, entrepreneurs, or team who want to streamline their workflows. If you're already using tool like Todoist or Google Calendar but need something smarter, Motion could be a game changer for you guys. However, if you're looking for a free or highly customizable option, it might be not be the best fit. So if you're ready to take your productivity to the next level, Motion offers a free trial so you can test it. Feature risk free, give it a shot and see if it works for your workflows or not. Thanks for watching this video.